So roast lobster. So yeah, my people, out tonight night, my people, you know. I'm gonna take on night fishing, you know. I'm going to some food tonight night, my people, because you don't know Christmas will come up. Everybody need them Christmas fish, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah, go out there, go see if we can find some food, you know. That is it. So once you stick and stay. Nice to have you back again. Believe.
Yeah, man, we can get some blueprint, man, and some history of Portland, boy.
And moon nothing in the night, guys, but still I go out there, you know.
You know, so you can't wait inside.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Test the waters, ooh, it's hot. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is where we baby, that's made of all the love we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, what your body says. Happiness, this is what we look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it is the spark. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all the love we Cause the water's always high. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows.
Right, you know my people. Yeah man. Them few day. Somebody want on 2 pound. So you know it's after hard work guys. Yeah man, fishy days man. You see it? Nice parrot. And some lovely parrot. Lovely doctor fish. If you doctor you if you're sick. Small barracuda. Lobster for Christmas. That's where I go on. Lobster for Christmas. So yes, my people, after a hard night of work, my people. The work just start, you know, because you know we have to get them clean up, prepare them for customers them. So we are going to do that now, my people. I don't know, just take with time. It have to done. So yeah man. Now my people want to say some bite me on my mouth last night and I just so you go. You know we tough, so we have to tough it out, my peeps. And you know me alone, you know my people, so I just get them clean up guys and I just show you what go on in the water, I show you catch my people, so get them clean up. Maybe one problem, maybe I'm not sure when I clean them up, but I'm going to try and see if my daughter can hold the phone and I get a couple clips. Yeah man.